Guys, good evening. Good evening, Ra. Online people, good evening, ma. అజయ్ ఇవి రాని వాళ్ళకి షేర్ చేశారా లింక్ ఏమన్నా? వర్షం పడుతుంది కదా, ఎవరన్నా రాని వాళ్ళకి షేర్ చేశారు ఏమన్నా? పెట్టుకోవాలి కదా అది ఒక ఆప్షన్, పాప పిల్లలు. వీడియో షేర్ చేద్దామా? పాపం మన ప్రాబ్లం కాదు కదా, ఇది ప్రకృతి. చలో. ఓపెన్ యువర్ జూపిటర్ నోట్బుక్స్ మా. ఓపెన్ యువర్ జూపిటర్ నోట్బుక్స్. Chalo, our last class of Python for the core Python today. I supposed to be yesterday. A little busy yesterday. So can you do the quick recap, ma? Can you do the quick recap? We'll perform some questions on that. Perform some questions. There are three methods. Method 1, method 2, method 3. Read the data. Can you do that very fast? Yesterday I've seen one boy or girl message me, that is file not found error. Okay. Then, a little depressed. File not found error means what? The file is not there in that location. This we already discussed. Still you are getting doubts. File not found error means what? I don't think so it is a rocket science, correct? It's simple thing only. File not found means file not found. Check properly spelling mistakes and everything. Samjha online people? Chalo, read it. Read the data. Then we'll do some questions. Read it, ma. Read it. We'll do some questions, ma. Do it. Read it, ma, read it, read it. Let me know once you are done. Read it. So in the rain also you came. Before you even only you came, huh? Before rain? In the rain itself only you came, huh? Arre. Why ra? Don't do like that. When heavy rain is there, don't come. You can take online link. You can call to Ajay and he will give the online link. If you remember in our course, I told you, right? We'll get rains in summer in Hyderabad. Do you remember? That is only rains. Experience. Okay. And exactly evening rains will come in summer. And that a huge rains will come. But huge rains will come, not normal rains. Fatafat, fatafat, fatafat. No, like heat, na? When heat will go evaporate, then that's the theory, na? Science theory, na? That is. That's why. Don't dare to come to the institute when you feel like that heavy rain. I will come, okay, but you think it and do that, okay. But don't skip the class. But don't skip the class. Be safe, especially those who are riding the bike. Don't go very fast. It will skid. Then you will be 1 week in hospital. Okay, please be careful while you are driving. Not at any cost, you should not increase your speed limit 30 to 40 in the rain. Uh, at any cost, 30 to 40 only speed limit. At any cost. Even your girlfriend is scolding you also. Okay. Don't go fast, ma. If you gaya, other mil gata. Mil gaya na? That is the life. Stuck in middle, huh? Arey baap re. Omkar sir is there with you. Okay. Don't be there for anything. I will give all kind of help what I can do. Generally, madam will always say that why you never say no to anyone. I don't know how to say no. Okay, that's very very rare. You never see no from me. That is. So I will give all kind of help whenever you want. So don't be any take any dare ma. Chalo, the both files are in same location. Both files are in same location. Now just remove the data. Print to data, remove it. Print to data, you remove it. Second line also you remove it, okay? First two lines only. First two lines. For in file karo, print I karo. For in file. First two lines only. Ma. Don't read it. Don't read it. Don't read it. Don't read it. for IN. For IN. What is coming, China? For IN file. Print I. Each and every line is coming or not? Each and every line is coming. Can you write the same for loop in the next line? Can you run the same for loop in another line? Now you're not seeing printing. See magic. You understand? The same for loop, here it is running, but here is not running. Checking, everyone. Do the drill. Why? Because the session got closed. We need to use the with. You need to open with. You need to open by using with chinna, with. You need to open by using with always. With, open. What is that? Name, file path. Try with open. With open. File path. As a file. Now, as file. For IN. You give file 1, then only you let the difference, na? You give file 1. For IN, file 1. For IL, file 1. Print I karo. Try it. Can you write these two lines separately then now? Working or not working? Check it. Working or not working? Check it. Working or not working? Value error. Because you are opening what? As file. Suppose data equal to file 1 dot read. Now apply here. For IN, file 1. Print of I. Input output operation closed file. Here the session, what happened here? Closed here. The session is not active here. The session is not active. How can we avoid all these things then? Can you create a function and return that and call that function every time, so that the file will be always active? That might be one idea. Getting what I'm saying? Chalo, you do the drill. Only these two lines, create a function call and return it. Only these two lines. What is these two lines? Definition. Okay. File read. File read. Bracket open, bracket close. Inside file path. Inside file path. Colon. Colon. And return file. Return file. Now read here for in file. Check it, working or not working or check it. First read the file. File equal to file read, file read, file path, file path. I'm creating a function first. I'm creating a function. What is the function? What this function will do, ma? You just open it. Just open it and return the file. Now I am calling that function here. Now let's see that working or not working. Let's check it. For in file, print I. We need to make that as a active. We need to make that as a active always. You no need to call open every time. Simply every time what do you need to call? Function. Instead of doing that hard coding, this is easy, na? Both are hard coding only. Both are we are making active. You can ask me a question, sir, why I want to do? I want to write always every time open only I will do in my same cell. That is also correct. Right? Hmm. It's not working for you also. Then you always you do that only. This one you do. Always open here only in the same cell. Not working. Understood. Not working, na. Some people are still not working, ara? Lucky people. One lucky person is there in the class. Anyone is there? Still you are getting error, huh? Key error, huh? Don't say key error to me. None type. That means that is not read properly. Not open properly. So you do one thing now. Those who are getting the error now onwards, you do one thing only. Your file name, Chinna, your file name in the same line, read option also same line, read option also same line, and for loop also same line. But this is not a good method. The VS code in the other methods, it is not a good method, okay? But those who are getting error, as of now you follow this. But in the other platform, you will not get error. Okay, you might have error because of the Python is not connecting that. You do this. How many lines are there in that? How can we check it? How many lines are there? 3. How can we check that? Count karo, count equal to 0, count equal to how many times loop is running? That means count equal to count plus I karo. How many lines? How many lines? How many ra? This finger is not working ra. This gaya. This finger. Thumbnail. 19, 18. I equal to 0 or count equal to 0. Count equal to 0 and count equal to count plus equal to 1. Then why this high ra? This is not required na. That, do you think that is required? In order to count, why you want to print? Technically. Auto, print auto, check it working. Count 1910. Correct. Some people will get more because they got space is more. While you downloaded, some space included Chinna. That's why you will get more than 1910. But the beauty is, first note on this, I will tell you. Chinna, for IN range of 4, print I, print I, print I. Look at the board, Chinna. If I type I, what will come, ra? If I type I, what will come? If I type I, what will come, ra? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, uh-huh. Good, ra. Now increase your bike speed 100 km/h while going, okay? हाँ, जिंदा है तो आ जाओ तुम्हारा कल. What will come? Run it. Last value will come, na re. Last value will come, na. Last value will come. So now, if I run this file, now technically, here count also not required. Automatically, if I print I separately, what is the last value will come? For IN file, for IN file, range of length of file, how can you do that? For IN What you will do? Range of length of, no, ille. How can I achieve that? File dot read karo. Now file dot read. Length of file dot read karo. Now what is coming this I check that. So technically that if you get that count also, I will come automatically. You no need of count also. Here I am not using count Shinna. Direct I is coming what last 3 only. So if it is anything length is there, count also not required. That is my intention. That is my intention. Samjha? So that you can do that, but that is not required for you, but just to give an idea. Now very, very important, ma. Very, very important. Come here. Look at the board. Very, very important, ma. Enumerate. So many lines are there now. Always do like this. Look at the board. Do you remember zip? Zip? Do you remember zipra? Now, for in enumerate. Enumerate, zip, both are same chinna. Zip means 2 will be available. 2 or 3. Zipping. Enumerate also index will be available. Now here you see enumerate means the line index also will come. What will come? Index. So it is a tuple. You see, right? This is one tuple. Inside tuple, how many answers are there? How many answers are there? One or two? One or two? Huh? One? Two? Ramesh, Suresh. How many are there? Two? One? Then this is one, this is another one. What? Two. Samjha? This course will go 1 year. 1 year. 1 year. So I can give instead of I, I can give what? I comma. I become what? Numbers. J become what? Lines. So that is I am writing IDX index comma line. Then automatically only what will come? IDX. Then I write IDX. All lines only will come. Correct? Chalo do it. IDX comma line. Understood, amma? Enumerate. Now, if I give IDX last chinna, if I give IDX here last, what will come? What will come now? Huh? Last number. What is the last number? 1 9. If you write +1, that is also going to count only, na? Number of lines. That is also number of, because Python start with what? Index with 0. Samjha? Now, if I want to find the number of count, I can use count also, I can use enumerate also, correct? But do I print this for that? I don't want to print. Why this extra? Even if I remove also, this code should run. How it will run? Tell me. I will print IDX outside. Print total number of lines equal to total number of lines equal to comma IDX +1. It will run or fail if I do this. Run or fail? Huh? Run? Chalo. 200 kara increase speed. What is coming? Fail. You understood what I am doing? Online people. I know that my print IDX, suppose if I run this now what happened? It will work. Definitely work. But I want to see total number of lines. For that, I don't want to see all the output. That is my intention. What is my intention? I want to see total number of lines. If I run this Chinna, now go last, you will see total number of lines output. Go last. What is coming? Total number of lines equal to 1909. Samjha? That I want to avoid it. That means I don't want to use this line. Still my code should work. Kya karna? Understood online people? Question. Online students. Pass karna. Kya karna? Pass. See? Okay. Pass ra. If you don't know any answer, kya karta? Pass. Pass kar. Pass it. Pass karna. Samjha enumerate meaning? Enumerate will give ID. Chalo, next. Now I will give some questions. You need to show me that output now. These are the questions. First question completed. Find the number of lines. Second question, Chinna, look at the board. Look at the board, Chinna. Second question, the lines are not in alignment. You see, right? What is there here? Space. We need to remove the space. How do we remove the space? Strip. Okay, L strip, R strip. Very good. That idea, the string ideas you need to apply now. And second one, extract the lines which are start with capital F. There are some values are there. You see, right? Look at the board. From Stephen Dart. Some lines are start with capital F. That how many lines are there, you need to extract it. So which method we need to use? Starts with starts with from. That is also we learn. Understood, my online people? This is a very, very good drill, ma. A simple code only, but so many questions. Now you will save in a list. From the, if you do that, you will see some slash n at the end. If you successfully do this, you will see output become what happen? Slash n. You need to remove the slash n also. Again, strip. Again, strip. Now from that, you need to extract the email IDs. We already know how to extract the email ID. virat.kohli@gmail.com, rcb.com. We extracted. Do you remember? That is, you need to extract it. You need to split it. You need to extract it. In that, some repeated email IDs will come. We need to use only which email IDs? Non-repeated. That means unique. 6 questions, one question done. 5 questions, so you have 20 minutes time. Do it fast. 20 minutes time. Do it. I'm expecting at least 3 answers you should do. Second one, third one, fourth one. Fifth one, sixth one is, you can do that, but you need to use your brain. Unfortunately, your brain is jada, so much compared to others. It is so much overthinking, that is hallucinations. First one no done కదా. Second one don't use ChatGPT right. Third question completed ra. That's the full I will do one thing ra. I will share in the Google Classroom then. Share in the Google Classroom so that we can do that also. So many assignments are pending ra. I will share it. I'm not getting time. That's the problem. And Saturday you don't have a class. Okay, one of relative has expired. Okay, her son is in USA. The cremation on Saturday. Okay, he started to come. He reached by tomorrow, so I need to go there. Aged only, aged. Saturday no class. थोड़ा prepare करो थोड़ा Python prepare करो complete करो all the practice so that we can at least we can थोड़ा speed up for the at least for our course Don't learn Python, no? That is very, very difficult. Let's see how this new batch 10:30 a.m. Batch people will be there. You are ultimate, Ra. I love you so much. Okay. Your batch is always ultimate. Okay, Ramesh. Super batch, Ra. Do it, do it, do it. Ah, let's see now. For I in file, for you I open like this so that you can easily do that. No? What is the file path, Chinna? Mbox shot. Huh? Check the spelling. Now open. open, fry in file, print I, a simple code only. क्या करना? I dot strip करना. आ गया. That's all. GGB code that is. Not on this. Still anyone not done this? That's the question number 2. Question number 3. Start with from next one. If you drink one nice tea now, it would be super, no? Chaitanya? We'll go one day tea party. We should have go today because very less members are there. Okay. Less members means less money, na? For me. More members means more money. But outside still raining, that is. Next. Now same question. Moving next to my online students. Okay, na? Now start with from, na? क्या करना? बोलो. Condition लगा ना? बोलो, what is the condition? If I dot starts with some people are done the small f. Okay, that's why you are not getting answers in the hurry. Now print I. I don't want to print. क्या करना? I want list. Which list? From list. Which list? So from list dot append. From list dot append of I. From list. So you get from. How many are there counted? 54. Can you do in the single line? List comprehension. What is list comprehension? Output if condition for loop. Output for loop if condition. Don't say you forget, Ray. Please. From list number 1. Do it much na. From list square bracket output I. Then condition. Then try in file then from list, what is that array? If output, if condition, else fire, else not required, na? My bad. For in file, if I dot starts with from empty array. Why empty ra? Session got closed. क्या करना? Like this. Single line. You can do the function or you can call it. Not on it. Now how can I remove it? Slash n. Huh? Loud, loud. Strip only, na? Where can I apply strip? Here only can apply strip, na? I dot strip. What do you do strip? Slash n. Okay. You already saving I nachin na? While saving, strip karo, save karo. Why extra list? Getting what I'm saying? Like this, huh? What I need to do? क्या करना रे इधर बोलो? Without argument. कौन argument है? Huh? Remove the quote, huh? You're saying this, huh? Huh. Only strip, huh? That also will work. That the strip means everything will go, na? Slash and nothing but one new line. New line means what? Space. Strip matlab, left side, right side. Now, done, na? Now here we want what? Email IDs. Every line has one email ID. Every line has one email ID. Chalo. From list square bracket 0 karo. I will give the idea. from list square bracket 0 from list square bracket 0 from list square bracket 0. First one, sir. First always work on the first one. Then apply the loop. That is a good technique. Now here, how can you extract it? Now there is a space is there. Till here space to till here space, what happen? Is all or what? Email ID. So क्या करना? Split करना. क्या करना? Split. When you split it, automatically the second one is what? Second one is what? Email ID only. This answer fixed answer. Who will change instead of 0 next? 1. Instead of 2. Again, na? So now who is common? Who is iterating now? This is the I. And that is the email. Now for IN, from list. Now email equal to email dot append of from list, then emails. All the emails will come. Spelling error. Sorry, I. Directly you taken the I. Because that's the number, that is the range you need to use. Directly with this. Try it now. Easy? Now how can you extract the specific unique email? Repeated, na? Stephen repeated, Louis repeated, Jacqueline repeated. Huh? How can you do that? We did now one question. Unique vowels. Look at the board. This kind of question very, very important in interview. Emails. For I in email, This email, this I should not repeat it double time. Correct? So further kya karna? You need to take some empty list, empty string. Empty string str1 is equal to empty. Now what I am saying that first time calling the suppose Mahesh, I am calling the Mahesh. Who is Mahesh now? I is equal to Mahesh. This is the Mahesh ma. Now when I call the I is equal to Mahesh, I will check this Mahesh is available in the empty string or not. Is not available, then I will pick it. Once I will pick it, I will throw him to where? Empty room. Then when dusra Mahesh will come, then already Mahesh available here na. Then I will say that don't come. Samjha? Idea? Online people. First I am calling you. You are available or not, I am checking you. Think like it is a room. Now imagine that you are available, huh? No. Then okay, I will take it. But I will take it, I will keep where? In the room. Then next time another Mahesh will come. Again, my thought process is one only. I always need to check. Here not available, then only I need to pick. So what is the condition now? If I not in str1, then क्या करना first? You need to save the unique email. Unique email equal to, then here unique email dot append of I. Not only that, then you need to put that Mahesh to empty string. Na re? str1 is equal to what? str1 plus I. Or sir, I don't want that. I will take directly empty list only. Instead of string, I will check with unique email here. I'll check with your unique email. Now this also works. What is first to I is who is I? Mahesh. Now Mahesh not in empty list. So put into that. Now parallelly you need to check with that. You need to check with that Mahesh is available or not. But let's see it is working or not. See? Okay. Avoided. Repeated will be avoided. Here you see. Stephen how many came? Stephen came how many times? 2 times. Now you see CWN come how many times? 4 times. Now CW coming how many times? This is called unique. We are taking the empty one whenever not available. We are pushing. We are pushing. Samjha? Chalo, note down it. Online people clear ma this code. Now, look at the board. There's a one problem statement is there. Emails list. I'll share this document. Today your job, everyone should do this today only. Today also I will wait for you. Here, this is a one text file. If you closely concentrate this text file, the santanam.jayendran.ms accenture.com. It's the company email IDs. When I'm in Accenture, I copied that. In that, my email ID also will be available in the last. Nallagoni, comma, Omkar. This is my what happened? Email ID. You need to read this. In this, 4 hidden things are there. One is first name. Another one is second name. Another one is total email ID. Last one is what? Company name. So you need to create the 4 list. First name list, second name list, company list, and email list. The same task we did for Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, and Dhoni. Same task only. But here extra layer. What is extra layer? First you need to read the data. First you need to. There I given the individual strings. But here first you need to read the data. You need to split it. What is the split category? Semicolon. Each and every guy is separated with what? Semicolon. And this is a one person. This is another person. You need to closely, you need to extract it. Samjha? And that is your assignment now. Online people clear ma? So many assignments are pending is there. I will create in this weekend. Assignment number 13. File handling. Extract first name, second name, email ID, and company name. Create 4 different lists. Read the text file. Shaloma, thank you. Thank you so much. Tomorrow onwards, no laptop, only pen and book for 1 week. Okay? Bring the pen and book. Tomorrow onwards, statistics. Buy a nice notebook, Roy. Don't be confused. Mahesh. Okay, nice notebook. Thought white paper notebook because we do many things, na? Huh? Classmate, wow. Rich రా నువ్వు సూపర్ రిచ్ క్లాస్మేట్ ఆ పెన్ను కూడా ఎంత 1000 రూపాయలు ఉంటుందా పెన్ను పెన్ను అందులోనే ఎక్కడ డబ్బులు పెట్టాలో కాదు ఎక్కడ పెట్టద్దో తెలుసు IT support. This is normally non-IT role. Non-IT. Non-IT. Personal developer side, yes. Sir, बोलो. फिर not done ना. Sir, फिर तो नहीं. Tough like tough लोग. कल वही सेम है क्या? तो जाएगा. ఎంత అంటే కూడా ఇది ఫైదా. సో నీకు పరిస్థితి లేదు. మనం టీ తాగుతూ మాట్లాడుతున్నాం. టైం ఇస్తా. నువ్వు వరి కాదు. ఎవరి మీద? కాలేజ్ దేవుని దగ్గర బాబు ఏమంటారు? సిటీయేనా? సిటీ. You came and trained. You came and trained. దేంట్లోకి వచ్చింది? స్పిరిచువల్. అది గ్రాఫ్ మీద వర్క్ చేయాల్సింది. అయిపోతుంది. ఓకే. విదిన్ నెక్స్ట్ అయిపోతుంది. మీరు అది గవర్నమెంట్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉందా? డీటెయిల్స్ ఇంట్లో ఒకసారి అడిగి ప్లస్ మీరు కూడా జనరేట్ సో మీరు ఒక్కళ్ళే చేస్తారు. అంటే మీకు ఆల్రెడీ నేను మేబీ క్లౌడ్ సెషన్ అయినా ఉండాలి పాటు ఆఫ్టర్ క్లాస్ 1 hour అలా చేస్తారు. మంచి ఎడ్యుకేటెడ్ ఉండాలి. నేను రావడం లేదు, చేస్తుంటాను. రావడం ఏం లేదు. ఆ తర్వాత నేను వాళ్ళతో జూలో కనెక్ట్ అయితే మీటింగ్ అవుతాను సార్. చేస్తాను. సరే చేద్దాం. నేను అమౌంట్ కూడా అరేంజ్ చేస్తాను. చెప్పండి. రేపు రేపు చేద్దాం. ట్రైనింగ్స్ వస్తుంటాయి. ట్రైనింగ్స్ జాబ్ వచ్చే లోపు అట్లా చేసి కాబట్టి చేస్తాం. అదే సార్ ఈ లోపల నాకు పాకెట్ మనీ ట్రైనింగ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఇమాటినార్లో వాళ్ళు 4 hours అలా డెడికేట్ చేయాలి రోజు. 4 hours బ్యాచెస్ అట్లా 4 hours అంటే ఎగ్జామ్ వస్తుంది. ఫైనల్ ఎగ్జామ్ అయిపోయాక స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి. వాళ్ళు కొత్తగా స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు. యాక్చువల్ ట్రైనింగ్ స్కిల్ ఉందంటారు. ఒకసారి తీసుకోండి. డెమో కనెక్ట్ చేయాలి. అదే అది పెట్టా రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ఉంది. సో సార్ మంచిగా చెప్తే వాయిస్ బేస్ ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి మీది చేయండి. ఫస్ట్ వాయిస్ బేస్ ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి కొంచెం మంచిగా చెప్పగలను. అందులో అంటే మేము ఇస్తాను మంచిగా ఒక 2-3 lakhs వరకు వస్తుంది. మంత్లీ కాదు, అట్లా కాదు. అంటే నెలకు ఎటుగా ఉన్నా కూడా 30,000 ఈజీ వస్తాయి. రోజు 1000 దానికంటే మీ ప్రోగ్రామ్ మీద ఇంట్రెస్ట్ మీరు సొంతగా చేస్తున్నారు. చాలా మంది కోసం చేద్దాం. ఎక్కువ రాకపోవచ్చు. వేరే ఫామ్తో ఉంటుంది మళ్ళీ. ఇప్పుడు గంటకు ఒక 500-1000 రూపాయలు తీసుకున్నా కూడా 400 ఉంటాయి. ఒక 4,000 కోట్ చేస్తే వాళ్ళు ఎంత ఇస్తారు మాట్లాడి రోజు కాబట్టి నెలకు ఒక 50,000 వచ్చినాయి అనుకో. 5 lakhs వస్తాయి ఇయర్లీ. 4 hours ఉంటాయి కూడా వస్తుంది. అదే జాబ్ చేసినట్టే. జాబ్ వచ్చే వరకు నేను చేయగలను. స్కెడ్యూల్ మంచి టాపిక్ ప్రిపేర్.